How to create and edit a calendar. In this video, we are going to show you how to fully set up a calendar for appointments. Start in the calendar menu of the main settings section. Click on New Calendar to begin creating your calendar and start the full setup. For the first section, start by creating the name and description of your calendar. Then you can add to the appointment title after the custom value if you want to do so. You can also give a location for the appointment. If you have a Google Calendar integrated with your account, you can link it to this new calendar. If not, you can ignore this option. There are also 3 choices for your sync options, but we recommend keeping the one-way option. Once you've completed this section, click on Save and Continue to move on to the next portion of the calendar setup. In this availability section, you can format the specifics of appointment scheduling however you want. You can decide what the duration of the appointment should be, as well as the intervals of each slot. And if you want to create a buffer of time between each appointment, you can do that as well. You can also decide how many appointments can occur for each slot and pick the maximum amount of appointments for each day. Then you are also able to choose a minimum scheduling notice. As an example, if you set the amount to 2 hours, the applicant would have to schedule a time that is at least 2 hours from the moment they submitted the appointment. You can also choose the date range, which gives you the option to give a final date of the calendar, preventing anyone from scheduling an appointment after the end of that period. The office hours automatically default from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, but you can change them however you need to. On this page, you can integrate a form with the calendar. If there's a form you need someone to fill out to make an appointment, you would put it here under the custom form. If you want the calendar to remember all the applicant's contact information and have it applied to other features, such as their payment information, make sure you have the sticky contacts selected. If you want to have a Stripe payment integrated with your calendar, you can do that by selecting Use Stripe Payment. Under Notifications and Additional Features, you can choose whether or not the calendar will auto-confirm appointments, and you can choose which email appointment alerts will be sent to. If you previously connected this new calendar with Google, you can also choose to have Google send emails and notifications to attendees. In regards to allowing rescheduling and cancellation, you can choose whether or not you want those options to be available. If you will allow either of those, we recommend editing the custom values to read appointment.reschedule_link and appointment.cancellation_link. If you have a Facebook Pixel ID, you can put it here. And if you have any custom codes for your calendar, you can paste them to the custom code section. Finally, you can either edit the final message an attendee will receive once they finish the appointment scheduling, or you can include a final form if you want them to answer additional questions once they schedule an appointment. Once you have finished this section of the setup, click the Complete button to finalize your calendar. You should now see your active and complete calendar in the calendar menu.